Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen is not rotating in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your screen is not rotating when you have enabled this auto rotate feature here. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to understand that if you have enabled this auto rotate feature here, you cannot rotate your screen on your home screen. That once you're on your home screen, you're unable to rotate your screen. But if you are in any app like your Play Store, your settings app, your messages, or any other app, you can easily rotate your screen. Let's say I'm gonna open a Play Store here, and now whenever I rotate my screen also rotates, or my app screen also rotates. But when you are on home screen, you're unable to rotate your screen. You have to keep in mind. Now, once I have said, if you are facing any issue to find this icon or this feature here, just click on this pencil icon, click on add a control, and in this setting you must see the portrait or auto rotate feature. You have to add that on this section here, then click on done. And once you have done, then you can easily use auto rotate. But if you're still facing the same issue, your phone screen isn't rotating once you have enabled this, or your phone is not rotating in your apps, you just have to go to your settings here, just scroll down, go to software update, click on check for updates, make sure that you're connected to internet to check for any software update here. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed, you should scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and now click on restart button again to have a restart with your phone. And once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.